Thanks again for joining us. We're going to talk about a unique little item that is a real lifesaver. We all know that our dryers have a lint trap in them. However, whenever we clean out that lint trap, believe it or not all the lint is going to get caught by the lint trap that's fastened into your dryer. So we've created a secondary lint trap. You'll notice quite often within the ducting of your own dryer, there's a tremendous amount of wet lint that tends to stick to the inside of the ducting. What we're trying to do now is avoid that, particularly on longer runs. So what we've created is a secondary lint trap that you would mount at a comfortable height above your dryer. That would connect with ducting to the dryer. That will go out. It does come with 2 metal worm drive clamps for the purpose of fastening the duct onto it. But what we've really done is we've created another lint trap on an angle that will catch that lint before it has a chance to rest inside of the longer part of the duct. Nice part about it is we've got a nice clean door. You can see there's a little bit of lint on there. You'll take that out, take that bed of lint off, put it back in, and you're now really going to be able to maintain the inside of that a whole lot easier by not having it clog up with lint and other debris.